This is Rhodes' house at 1 Missenden Rd in Camperdown, which is one of the first buildings to receive funding for EV charging backbone infrastructure from the New South Wales Government. Here's a SMAPI electricity monitoring device. Now we're in the main electrical room and you can see connection points for new distribution boards. These are two contactors which connect to the fire control panel and allow all EV charging to be shut off in the event of a fire in the building. Here are two 250 amp distribution boards in the car park and some sub boards for EV charging. This building's got 9 flat cables throughout different sections of the car park, which you can see on the screen here in front of us running along walls. And outside we've got a shared EV charge point, and it's a Delta charge point that's a DC charge point at 25 kilowatts. It's got 2 cables, a CHAdeMO and a CCS2, and it's got the Karchargers building management system, which you register with a mobile phone app while you're at the site.